In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a team in Monday.com. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you have the right permissions to manage teams. Typically, you'll need to be an admin or have team management rights. Once you're in, start on your main workspace or homepage. From there, look towards the top or left area of your screen for the section where you can access your account's teams. Depending on your setup, this might be in a main navigation bar or under a menu related to users and administration. Click into the Monday.com environment where your teams are listed so you can start managing them. Next, you'll see an option or icon that's highlighted in the interface, guiding you toward team management. This might appear as a Teams button, a people icon, or a dedicated tab. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area. This is your entry point into viewing all teams that exist in your account. Once the Teams area opens, you'll be taken to a page showing a list of all teams in your workspace. Here, you can scroll through or use any search or filter options available to quickly find the specific team you're working with. When you see the team you want to update, select it. In our example, this is referred to as Team 1, but in your account, it will reflect your own naming conventions. After you click into that team, you'll be taken to the team's detail page. This is where you can see the members, possibly their roles, and other related settings. On this page, look for another highlighted element that refers to the specific person you want to remove or to the list of members itself. This is usually displayed as a list with options or a small menu icon next to each member's name. Click on that highlighted option next to the member you want to remove. A small drop-down or menu will appear with different actions you can take for that user. From that menu, select the option labeled Remove from Team. Once you click Remove from Team, Monday.com will typically apply the change immediately, and that person will no longer appear in the team's member list. In some setups, you might see a confirmation prompt. If you do, simply confirm that you want to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully removed a user from a team in Monday.com using the built-in team management tools.